Hello everyone! Today I will show you 3 ways to fix your Windows 10 or 11 system when the Wi-Fi tile disappears completely and you are unable to go online. So the first one is very simple, just restart your PC. In doing so, you also clear some of the cached files which could be causing the problem. But if you're like me and you own an old computer that takes ages to reboot, you probably want solution number 2. Open the run box and type in dev-mgmt.msc to open Device Manager. And we have a problem here. My network adapter hasn't started and is throwing a code 10 error. The solution: we should disable and re-enable this adapter. Right-click on the entry in Device Manager and then choose Disable. Confirm that you want to disable it, then right-click and choose Enable. And, as you can see, this fixed the issue for me. But then, that's just me, and some of you might still have a problem. Solution number 3 is to uninstall the device and then restart the computer. I don't recommend this solution to people who don't know exactly what they are doing, as this could potentially mess with the driver and cause more problems. Anyway, I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you if you subscribe.